In this episode, I'm sharing with you an item I received in the mail. So if you're interested in seeing what it is, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone. I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, in today's episode, it is a sponsored episode, and the company, an Amazon-based company called Frstem, contacted me and wanted me to review their Fandlier. So I was overjoyed to receive this Fandlier because your girl needed a different look in her office. So if you're interested in seeing how this looks and how everything turned out, you know what to do. Stick around. Now here's how it came boxed. Now I already cut it open for you guys. And the Fandlier was packaged very well for so it wouldn't get bent or broken during shipping. Now I'm going to share with you some of the items that came in the box with the Fandlier. Now it came with an instruction manual and a pair of gloves. It came with a bag with a remote control for the Fandlier, also with the screws and all the attachments to install it. Now to get you a little closer look of the Fandlier. Now I know my gold girls will like this because the blades and everything inside are, well, the light fixtures in here are all gold. And of course the ceiling fan itself is acrylic or clear. Now on the back of the Fandlier, I wanted to show you how the back of it looked where the brace is. This is a flush mount ceiling fan. Pretty, isn't it? Now here's Firstem's website. They're an Amazon-based company, as I stated before, and they have beautiful ceiling fans for the boho look. Now this ceiling fan is a boho Fandlier. It's a 20-inch rattan cage ceiling fan with lights and a remote control. It is a flush mount ceiling fan, bladeless, low profile, 6-speed quiet motor for living room, bedroom, kitchen, or hallway. Now it is a natural tone Fandlier. The flush wicker ceiling fan is 20 by 8 and 0.3 in height. It's perfectly designed for lower ceilings or more practical use along a landing or a hallway. The wicker has an appealing natural tone that feels calm and fresh, perfect for use in a bedroom, bathroom, dining room, living room, or baby room or more. Now the wind speed has a 6 wind speed control. Now it has different speeds. The speeds are an hour, 2 hours, or 4 hour timing. So I really like that it has a timer so it automatically cut off like in the evening or something like that. And it has 3 color temperatures that work with the color changing light bulbs for 3 color temperature options. Now the light bulbs, you have to order those separate. It has a copper motor and its sound is less than 45 dBs when working. That means it has like a whisper sound so you won't hear it when it's going. It also has a reversible motor and it's easy to install. Now it has a 3-year warranty and it has 24/7 service. Now what makes this easy to attach, there is a metal wire in there where you can attach it to the hook inside the bracket and it'll let it hang where you can put this up by yourself. Now, of course, you connect the white wires to the white and the black to the black. Now I'm installing the bulbs so I can do a check to see if everything is connected correctly. Now, this was easier than I thought it would be, and I'm happy that I got it done. But the only catch is that I didn't have all the screws attached. So I'm going to put another screw in, and then we will cut on the power to see how this works. And I really like this fan, and I really hope it gives out a good gust of air, because you know your girl has hot flashes and she needs this fan. So it's a beautiful fan, guys. So here we go. Lights are on and the fan is working. Now I'm going to give you a closer look. See all the lights, the fan is going. I'm very happy about this fan. But overall, I really like this ceiling fan. I like the neat and the quietness of it. And if you're interested in getting this ceiling fan, I'll have the information linked down below about Frstem. And when you go, tell them Stephanie sent you. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.